If you have this kind of light in your Subaru Impreza and the bulb is bad, here is how to change the bulb. So you'll see there's a little groove on this side. So all you got to do is get in there with a screwdriver or something relatively flat and pry it loose. Like that. Probably don't want to do it while you're holding your cell phone in your hand, and then from there it's real easy. So the little bulb just nestles between these electrodes, and some folks will say don't touch the actual light part of the bulb with your fingers or the oil will ruin the bulb. Not sure if that's true or if that's urban myth, but you just take it out and then go buy a new one. There is a link in the description to the name of it and where you can get one. You see it just pressure fits in here. It's got little points on the end that go into little dots like that. Make sure it turns on, and then the two tabs go in there and you just snap it back in place and you are lit.